I'm flossing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
Which that's kind of crazy. Is it crazy? It's kind of crazy. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ellis Ride 254, man, and you tuning in for another. Yeah, Pete the Ray-Bans. Yeah, can't ban the Ray-Ban, man. Yeah, so new glasses this year, and we about to go pick up a new camera. You know, I like to start off every year. Let me adjust my little thing. You know, I really like to start out every year with new toys. New toys equal new content creating motivation opportunities. And plus, I get to write it off at the end of the year on taxes, so why not? So today, we getting ready to go to my favorite store, Best Buy. Best Buy is my favorite store because they got electronic stuff. Usually, sometimes I would go to Amazon to get stuff, but here lately, it's definitely been about Best Buy. We got the computer fixed there last year. We bought this little membership plan, and it's actually been paying its dividends. I forgot what the last thing it was that I got from there, but whatever it was, I got it. It was worth it. Good shit. So let me tell you about how this whole thing even started. Alright, so I'm actually glad that I did stop because I did not realize I had left my wallet, which has been a bad thing. So where do we start? So there's a little LED light in the truck, definitely a nice touch. I think I got the lights off of Amazon. So if you're interested, let me know. Like, I got all the lights. Like, check. I mean, it's LEDs everywhere. I'm talking about even in the visors is LED. So if you want you an LED kit for your rim, holler at your boy. I'll get you the link and I will put it down in the comments. It'll be like it'll be the first comment after somebody requested. Promise. Alright, so how this all started, right? So of course, like I said, every year I like to kick it off a fairly big investment / whatever back into the channel. These last couple years, we still been making them. Maybe just not as pronounced, or not really following all the way through with the content. I think the last camera upgrade or equipment upgrade that we made for the channel was in, correct me if I'm wrong, was when we bought the Insta360, which was after we bought the Harley, which might have been 23. Yeah. So 23, I think we bought the 360 camera. 24. I'm trying to think what we bought, if anything. 24, we might have bought something. I don't really know. So here we is, 2025, kicking it off for all the content creation channels. Because I mean, I got Facebook. Well, yeah, technically, not really Facebook. Facebook is starting to put out some change here and there. So if we content create for that, I feel like it could go up. So of course we got our YouTube, TikTok, or both YouTubes, TikTok, Instagram, like all those different platforms. Like, I feel like no matter what happens, man, I feel like I will always be a content creator. Like, no matter. So even though for For those of y'all that know the history, you know what I'm saying, I was a photographer. No longer do it because of, you know, scheduling conflicts or potential scheduling conflicts. I don't know. Who knows what the future may hold? It might spin a block on y'all, and it might be back. So you never know. But the passion that I have for creating content or creating images is still there. You know what I'm saying? And that's why we continue to push and press on and, you know, bring everything. Plus, I'm a tech guy. Like, I love gadgets and shit. You know what I'm saying? Gadgets that capture images. So that's where we at with that shit. But yeah, we just really got to get back into a routine of it and start keeping that content coming for y'all. It's been a lot that's been going on. A whole lot of changes that are going to be coming in the future. We're going to be finishing up some projects, etc., and things of that nature. So I definitely want to be able to capture it as easily and quickly as possible. So this setup that you're watching me on now is a Canon M50, I believe. Let me see. I'm turn it around. Yeah, so this is a Canon EOS M50, which I think I bought in 22. I feel like it was post. I bought it secondhand. Since then, you know, we've bought additional lenses for it. Maybe that's what I bought in 2024. Like, I think maybe 24. I bought this lens that's on here that gives you more of a wider field of view. And while this does get the job done, I feel like there are still other options out there, and that's what we about to go pick up right now. So come follow me on the journey. Let's go. So we here, we done made it to, as you can see, we done made it to Best Buy. I feel like my dilemma is as much as an introverted person as I am, like, I can be extroverted as long as I can control it. And I feel like through social media and YouTube, I feel like this is a good way to control it. Like, to a certain extent. So we're gonna keep doing this content creation thing. I mean, I know that was kind of random, but you know, that was just a thought that crossed my mind. So we're gonna head inside Best Buy, man, go pick up our new recording device, our new tool for our toolbox. All right, so we just went into Best Buy. I ran into one of my partners. He ended up buying some shit. You know how we do, just buying shit we may not need, may do need. When you see the video, shout out to you. But anyway, we in there. He about to make a purchase. He right there. Finna swipe his card. Finna give them the money. The product that they're looking at is like a $30 difference. It's not adding up. The math ain't mathing. You got the customer right there. You have the ability to make the call. Well, if it was car parts, I know I could. I can make the call right there to change that price and get that sale. So they basically just lost the sale because now he's finna go buy it from Amazon. And that is why it is so very important to take care of your customers. When it come down to it, maybe they would have been able to do it, maybe they would have. I know in my line of work, if I can get that sale, I'm gonna get that sale. Because the same way people got options on where they choose to buy their electronics, which I did, because the only thing that made me go and buy my part from Best Buy versus ordering it on Amazon was the fact that I already paid for the Best Buy Plus membership, so I get 2 years of a protection plan on my purchase for free. Even though it's only a $5 value, but that's $5 that I don't have to spend. So, it's crazy. So, but yeah, I stayed a little bit longer than I was supposed to because me and my partner was chopping it up. And yeah, but that's today's lesson, man. Get that money. Make that money. Don't let it make you. Ooh, yeah. Alright. So as you can see, we got the box up. We gotta get back busy on that. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the reveal, what this whole video was about in the first place. What did we go get? That's right, people. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Stay tuned with the content. We finna bring it. We finna bring it. I did get the creator combo because of all the extra stuff you get. The protective cover, the mic and the transmitter, the battery handle, the mini tripod. I mean, it's just a great value for everything that you get in the creator combo. So pay the extra $150 if you want. But stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna bring it to you so you see what's happening. So until the next time, man, it's your boy LS Chevrolet 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.